God, I finally get some time away from the evil monkey in my closet.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, coming to you today with a brand new product that we're going to review. What is this? Hold on just one second and I'll show you. Alright, so here it is guys. This is the fully assembled, this is a pad launcher or a drone launcher or a quad launcher basically is what it is. So it comes fully, completely collapsible. It's made out of wood, not plastic and not paper. And you can see from the front and the back there that it is completely adjustable. So you can adjust it. I've got a 5-inch on here. It'll fit up to a 7-inch and then all the way down to a 2-inch quad. And this is geared more towards probably racers, but freestylers can also use this product as well. So say like you're here at the park and the grass is wet and you don't want your quad to get wet, you can use this to launch off. Or if you're sometimes like over in the dirt where there's a lot of loose gravel, you don't want that to get into your motors, you can put it up off the ground and that way it saves your quad. So we'll go ahead and do a quick demonstration and show you guys what this thing's capable of. In the new quad launcher, this is by a company named Third Prop. These are the same guys that, if you remember, I'll try and put a link up at the top for you guys, and they made the prop storage box that you can buy to store your props. So it's a great little product, and as you can see, it's very customizable. You can have your name engraved in the wood, which is really cool, and he hand makes each one of these, and the tops where your quad fits is made of like a nice rubber material, so that way your quad will stick on there and doesn't fall off. And as always guys, again, thank you very much to Third Prop for sending me this product to do a review on. That was very nice of them. This is an awesome product. So whether you're a racer or a freestyler, like I said, it's more geared toward racers, but you can definitely, if you're a freestyler, you can definitely use it. So guys, thanks for watching as always. Thanks for viewing all of my channel and all of my reviews. If you like this review, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. And if you like my channel, if you like my reviews, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You're more than welcome to. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high, and I'll talk to you guys later.